Kia looks like it is preparing to introduce something many fans have been waiting for, a true spiritual successor to the Stinger, but this time with an all-electric identity. The early teaser images do not reveal much, but the low and sleek shape makes it clear that Kia is aiming for a modern Grand Tour that feels more aerodynamic and futuristic than anything currently in its lineup. The elongated roofline and short front section point strongly toward a dedicated electric vehicle architecture, and the wide stance gives it a confident presence. What catches the eye immediately is the bold lighting signature and the smooth bodywork that blends sharp edges with subtle curves. Even though it is still just a concept, the frameless sides, the large glass roof, and the sculpted fenders make it feel like Kia is pushing its next design chapter forward in a big way. Whether this becomes the rumored EV8 or another flagship remains to be seen, but it definitely suggests that Kia is preparing a new high-performance direction.